In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to CC someone on a DocuSign envelope. We'll start by opening DocuSign. Once you're on the main sending page, you have two ways to get to the envelope you want to update. If you're creating something new, you can add another new document and continue building the envelope from there. If you already have a draft prepared and just need to update it, you can go to the Agreements section instead. From the Agreements area, look for your draft documents and select the one you want to update. This is useful if the envelope is already mostly complete and you simply want to add someone as a copied recipient before sending it out. After selecting the correct draft, click Continue to open the preparation screen. Once you're inside the envelope setup, go to the Add Recipients tab. This is where you manage everyone involved in the document, including signers, viewers, and copied contact. To add the person you want to CC, click Add Recipient. Now enter the recipient's details. First, choose or type the person's name, and then enter their email address in the appropriate field. Make sure the information is correct, since this is what DocuSign will use to notify that person and send them a copy of the envelope activity. After that, click on the name field again. This step helps confirm the recipient entry and gives the system a moment to recognize the contact details you've added. If you're entering the information manually, this is also a good time to double-check spelling and formatting before moving on. Taking a few extra seconds here can help avoid delivery issues later. At this point, the CC recipient has been added to the envelope. They won't be asked to sign unless their role is set differently, but they will receive a copy and be kept in the loop on the document. That's especially helpful when managers, coordinators, or other stakeholders need visibility without being part of the signing process. And that's it. You can now proceed with the rest of the envelope if you're ready to send it, or you can choose to save and close if you want to come back and finish later. Either way, the update is in place and your CC recipient will be included when the envelope is sent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.